City apartments are shrinking. Garages? Gone. But that doesn't mean your ride has to. Folding e-bikes have become the secret weapon for people who want to move freely without giving half their home to a bicycle. These aren't gimmicks. They're compact machines built for serious fun and everyday survival. Here are 15 folding electric bikes that prove small can still mean powerful. Number 15. Engwe L20. Most small e-bikes give up on range or speed just to stay cute. The Engwe L20 laughs at that trade-off. With a 52-volt system and a peak 1,125-watt motor, it hauls uphill like it's late for work. Engwe claims 84 miles of range. Realistically, it's closer to 60, but that's still weekend trip territory. The fat 20 by 3-inch tires soak up bumps, and the low step-through frame makes it ridiculously easy to hop on and off. It's not the lightest, but at under $800, it's a wild deal. Basically, a budget bike that rides like it's got a secret turbo button. Number 14. Lectric XP 4.0. This thing isn't subtle. It's a chunky little tank that folds in half and somehow still fits under a desk. The Lectric XP 4.0 packs a 500-watt motor with a punchy 1,000-watt peak. And yes, hydraulic brakes on a sub-$1,000 bike. That's like finding heated seats in a go-kart. Range clocks in at around 45 miles, and it can haul 330 pounds, groceries, backpacks, even your dog if it'll sit still. Sure, it's not featherweight, but it's one of the easiest bikes to live with. Fold it, stash it, ride it, repeat. A little rough around the edges, but honestly, that's part of the charm. Number 13. ACTBEST Night. The name sounds dramatic, and so is the power. The ACTBEST Night comes swinging with a 1,000-watt peak motor, and it doesn't mind showing off. It's quick, sturdy, and surprisingly smooth for something under $900. Range lands somewhere between 65 and 70 miles, though that depends on how heavy your right wrist is. The step-through frame is a blessing in traffic, and the 350-pound payload turns it into a delivery workhorse. The only downside? Mechanical brakes. They stop fine, just don't expect Formula 1 precision. For the money though, this affordable night easily wins its joust with pricier rivals. Number 12. Fiddo D11. At just 40 pounds, the Fiddo D11 practically floats when you pick it up. No joke, it's one of the few e-bikes you can carry upstairs without muttering curses. The seat post is the battery, which makes it look cleaner and more futuristic than most city folders. It's not a powerhouse, more of a quiet commuter type, but it nails its purpose. Great for hopping between train stations, offices, and tight apartments. No suspension, no fat tires, no nonsense. Just a clean, light machine that understands the realities of city life. Perfect for riders who value space more than speed. Number 11. Ride 1UP Portola. Finally, something that feels built for both weekdays and weekends. The Ride 1UP Portola has that throw it in the trunk and go energy. A 750-watt motor, hydraulic brakes, and a 130-pound rear rack mean it's just as happy hauling groceries as it is tagging along on a road trip. The range hits 40 miles, which is plenty for errands and mini adventures. The ride feels confident, solid frame, no wobble, no cheap flex. Sure, it's not ultralight, but it folds clean and rides like a proper e-bike, not a folding gimmick. Around $1,195, it's basically a full-size commuter disguised as a compact folder. Number 10. Heybike Mars 2.0. Meet the muscle of the budget class. The Heybike Mars 2.0 is what happens when a fat tire bike hits the gym and learns to fold. With a 750-watt motor, peaking at 1,400 watts, it's not shy about acceleration. It's built for people who think shortcuts mean taking the dirt trail instead of the street. The 45-mile range is fair, though don't expect to hit that if you ride full throttle, because you absolutely will. UL certified electronics, USB charging on the display, and a comfortable upright posture make it practical too. At $1,499, it's a solid middle ground between commuter and adventure. Loud, fast, and surprisingly civilized when it needs to be. Alright, the budget beasts have done their job. But now we're stepping into the tier where folding bikes stop being clever gadgets and start feeling like real machines. More tech, more torque, and more reasons your car should probably be nervous. Number 9. BURCHDA R5 Pro. This thing doesn't fold. It shrinks into battle mode. The BURCHDA R5 Pro looks like it was built by someone who thought, yeah, let's make a mountain bike that can also hide under a desk. A 1000 watt peak motor, 26-inch fat tires, and dual suspension give it serious trail chops. It's a folding e-bike that actually handles off-road, which is rare. The 48-volt 20 amp-hour battery pushes around 65 miles, though it's heavy enough to remind you at every stairwell. But that's the trade-off. This bike's a bruiser. If your idea of urban commute includes potholes, gravel, and maybe a hiking trail detour, the R5 Pro's your ride. Not for minimalists, but it's a blast for everyone else. Number 8. Heybike Ranger S. You know those bikes that just look like they mean business? The Heybike Ranger S fits that bill perfectly. 1,800 watts peak power, UL certified safety, and enough torque to make stoplights optional. It's fast, sometimes too fast. If you're expecting a gentle pedal assist cruiser, brace yourself. The torque sensor keeps it smooth, but twist the throttle and it jumps like it's running from something. Hydraulic brakes bring it back under control, and the 400-pound payload is ideal if you've got gear or groceries. Fair warning, this bike isn't subtle. It's loud, proud, and perfect if you like leaving cars behind in total silence. Number 7. Blix Vika Plus Flex. After all that power talk, here's a bike with manners. The Blix Vika Plus Flex doesn't try to impress with brute force, it wins with refinement. Clean lines, integrated lights, and a frame that looks more cafe cruiser than cargo mule. The 500-watt motor hums quietly, and the 45-mile range is enough for a week of commuting. It folds neatly in seconds and feels like something built for real urban life. Trains, offices, narrow hallways, you name it. If you've ever wanted an e-bike that doesn't scream gadget, this is the one. It's the kind of bike that makes people ask where you got it, not how much power it has. Number 6. Aventon Sinch 2.5. Now we're talking premium. The Aventon Sinch 2.5 looks ready for adventure, but feels engineered for precision. The secret weapon? A torque sensor that reads every ounce of effort you put in and responds instantly. No jerky surges, just smooth, natural acceleration that makes most other bikes feel like riding a light switch. The 500-watt sustained motor peaks at over 1,000 watts, and hydraulic brakes give it stopping power that inspires confidence. UL certification, fat tires, and a 55-mile range round out the package. It's not cheap at around $1,799, but it earns every dollar. If you've ever wanted to know what refined muscle feels like in e-bike form, this is it. Number 5. RadExpand 5 Plus. If reliability had a name, it'd probably sound a lot like RadExpand 5 Plus. This bike doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, it just makes sure the wheel lasts forever. It's got a 750-watt motor, torque sensor, hydraulic brakes, and even turn signals. Yep, a folding bike with indicators. The 60-plus mile range feels optimistic, but still solid in real-world riding, and the UL certification means it passes strict safety standards. A nice peace of mind when you're zipping through traffic. It's not flashy or ultralight, but it's the one you could ride every day for years without complaint. Around $1,899, it's a workhorse disguised as a commuter bike. Number 4. Jasion X Hunter. Most folding bikes fake full suspension. They throw on a basic fork and call it done. The Jasion X Hunter actually delivers with a 4-link rear system and proper front fork that handles rough trails without rattling your spine loose. The 1,400-watt peak motor and 85 Newton-meter torque climb like they're angry, while 20 by 4-inch fat tires eat gravel for breakfast. Range? Around 70 miles in pedal assist, optimistic, but even 50 is solid. Best part? 400-pound payload and integrated turn signals. At $1,899, it's the off-road folder that doesn't compromise. Heavy? Sure. Worth it? Absolutely. Number 3. EUYBIKE K6 Pro. The K6 Pro doesn't fold, it transforms. Full suspension, 1000 watt motor, and an absurd 25 amp hour battery that'll take you up to 80 miles if you play it smart. For context, that's double what most e-bikes manage. This thing can handle gravel, trails, and probably a minor apocalypse. At 400 pounds max payload, it can haul groceries, gear, or your entire sense of adventure. It's not a small bike, calling it portable is generous, but it's proof that folding bikes can be both practical and powerful. Around $1,999, it's the all-terrain champ for people who actually plan to use the terrain part. Number 2. FWallke H9 AWD. Some e-bikes whisper. This one growls. The FWallke H9 AWD is a dual motor, all-wheel drive monster that peaks at 3,200 watts. That's absurd for something that still technically folds. The traction is unreal snow, sand, steep climbs, it just keeps going. The 4-piston hydraulic brakes and full suspension balance all that chaos with control, and if you go for the bigger 60 amp hour battery, you're looking at over 150 miles of range. It's heavy, expensive around $1,899 to $1,999, and absolutely not for casual riders. But if you want the folding e-bike equivalent of a muscle car, this is it. Number 1. Tern Vektron S10. And finally, the folding bike that other folding bikes secretly look up to. The Tern Vektron S10 is the gold standard. It doesn't chase big numbers, it just nails everything that matters. The Bosch Performance Line motor is buttery smooth, the Magura hydraulic brakes feel refined, and the Shimano Deore 10-speed drivetrain shifts like it's reading your mind. It folds down to suitcase size, yet somehow feels sturdier than half the full-size bikes out there. At around $3,500, it's expensive, sure. But this is the one people buy when they're done trying out e-bikes and just want the best. Quiet, compact, and beautifully engineered, it's the definition of premium done right. So, that's the 2025 folding e-bike lineup, 15 rides that prove power, comfort, and convenience don't have to live in separate worlds. Whether you're short on space, big on adventure, or just tired of traffic, there's a foldable fix waiting for you. Pick your speed, pack it small, and get rolling.